When people think about the cost of a new deck, they usually picture just the boards and railings, but a real deck budget has several layers that are easy to overlook. Let's walk through the hidden or forgotten items that should be part of any realistic deck budget. Knowing these up front helps you avoid stress and surprise costs later. First, there's site preparation. Removing an old deck, clearing shrubs, or adjusting grading so water drains properly all take time and materials. If your yard slopes or has obstacles, that can affect the overall price. Next, think about structural elements you don't see every day. Footings, posts, beams, hardware, and fasteners all add up. Using the right hardware for your climate and local codes is not optional if you want a deck that lasts. Permits and inspections are another cost homeowners often forget. Most areas require permits for new decks or major replacements. A professional deck builder will include this in the quote or explain it clearly, so you're not stuck handling it alone. Then there are features that improve how you actually use the space. Things like lighting, privacy screens, built-in seating, or upgraded railings can change how comfortable and safe your deck feels. It's better to plan for those choices now instead of wishing you had later. Maintenance is another long-term cost to keep in mind. If you choose wood, you'll need stains, sealers, and regular upkeep. Composite decking costs more at the start, but typically costs less to maintain over the life of the deck. Access and layout can also impact price. If materials are hard to get to your backyard, or if the design is very complex with multiple levels or angles, labor costs can increase. When you see a quote that looks much lower than the others, ask what's missing. A fair, detailed quote should clearly outline materials, labor, permits, and any extras, so you're comparing real numbers, not guesses. At Tough Deck Builders Buffalo, we focus on honest, clear pricing for homeowners who want solid, long-lasting outdoor spaces. If you want a realistic deck budget for your home, call 716-274-7038 or visit toughdeckbuildersbuffalo.com to get started with a straightforward estimate.